Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring power and permissions. Plug in if battery is low and give Fisch access to your location so it can lock a precise fix. Once done, open the app and type the destination name exactly as provided, only way or paste coordinates to avoid ambiguity. Make sure map tiles are downloaded for the area if you expect no signal. With the destination entered, tap Navigate. The app will in its satellite lock and compute the recommended route. Now follow Fisch's turn-by-turn guidance and pay attention to voice cues so you can keep eyes mostly on the road. If you stray off the plotted path, Fisch will detect that quickly and offer an automatic reroute. Accept it to stay on track, or tap alternatives to pick a different road manually. Also set your travel profile, walking, driving, or cycling, because that changes the ETA and which roads are preferred. Make sure lane guidance and speed limit warnings are enabled for safer decisions. As you approach, Fisch will switch to precise guidance and notify you when you have reached only way. Confirm the arrival and, if needed, save the route or share your location with someone. If directions seem wrong or GPS drops, first toggle airplane mode briefly, then reopen Fisch to force a new satellite fix. If issues persist, restart the device and switch to the offline map you pre-downloaded. This usually resolves missing tile or signal problems and gets you back on course quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.